Hey everyone, it's Paula from WTI.
And as someone that frequents the beach often, I really recommend you get yourself a good quality umbrella like this one from AMMSUN. They have a patented anchor that is going to make your umbrella stay nice and firm in the sand, and you don't have to worry about it flying away. Now, this in particular has a table tray, and it's really easy to use, just like opening and closing the upper part of the umbrella. And I love these cup holders. Not only can they hold beverages in place, but they are perfect for putting your keys in and any other items that you really don't want to get any sand in. Now, the umbrella itself is 7 feet wide, so it gives plenty of shade. Now, if that is not enough, you can tilt this umbrella. So as the sun moves throughout the afternoon, so can your umbrella. Now, another feature that helps stabilize this umbrella are these air vents, and they really do help make it a fun day at the beach, even if it is windy. So I really recommend it.
And that's my point of view.